I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. So, it's like 12:30, 12:40. Last video was at 8:45. So if you can take a wild guess, yeah, I got that money. I got that money. And it was a pretty good bit of that money. It'll help me out. Make up for what I didn't make on my check. But I made a good bit. No, I don't know. I probably didn't make too much money. Like, on my check, I probably made enough that I would make on one job. One medium job. My whole week. But that's okay. I'm shooting for the stars. I'm gonna get that CDL, and I'm gonna drive across the Atlantic Ocean. But no, God bless me. If y'all seen that post yesterday talking about God sent somebody to bless me, He did. Man, I got a blessing yesterday like it was unimaginable. I'm gonna tell you how it went down. So I'm sitting on the couch yesterday when I got home from work. I'm looking up at the sky. I'm counting my lucky stars, and I'm thanking the Lord for everything I got. But I'm saying, Lord, I know you always come through. I know you always come through. How are you going to do it this time? And when? And the Lord is just telling me, relax. Relax. I got you. I got you. I'm like, okay. So I doze off. Maybe about an hour. I wake up. Doze off again. Wake up. And this is after I get off work. And all of a sudden I get a message. I get a message from a soldier of Christ. And he tells me, I'm going to bless you. Know it's the Lord that sent me to you. And I'm going to bless you. And I was speechless. I got blessed. I was speechless. I didn't know what to say. I didn't know how to act. Because it don't happen every day like that. It does not happen every day like that. Blew my mind. It really blew my mind. And the blessing I got is going to help me for a couple weeks. Add to the checks that I'm making. And we're going to make it. We're going to make it. Just a dramatic blessing. So people, what I'm trying to tell you is, always keep your hopes high. Keep your faith strong. And try to work all day long. But with that, let me go ahead and get in. I'm going to try to upload this video. And take a bath and eat lunch. And take me a nap. With that, I'm going to end this. God bless y'all. Have a good day.